Yeah, I know. I'm shocked they ain't sell out too. Either way, we gonna get into the review.
Visiting Nike this couple of days has been amazing.
What's up, family? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking in on your boy. If you new and this is your first time hitting a video with this face on it, please hit the subscribe button down there so you can check in with your boy from time to time. Let me know what you rocking on foot and check what heat I'm reviewing for the day. Today, I went with the La Mezclas, and I looked it up, and it stands for the mix, the remix, or something of that nature. All my Spanish-speaking people, y'all the real source here. Let me know La Mezcla do it equals remix, because I looked it up and that's what it said, but y'all the real source. Yeah, and this sneaker is made from a woman from Queens, New York, and I'm from Brooklyn, New York. So you know I kept it all the way New York, and that's the sole reason why I brought this sneaker. But before we get into the review, we already know every April around airmax month or around airmax day, Nike gives 18 people a chance to design their own shoe, and then they let us pick the best 6. So this year, this was the 6 that came out, and out of the 6 that came out, I decided to go with this one. The other 5 weren't bad, but we already know what happened a couple years ago when the legend of Sean Weatherspoon came out, when he dropped his Air Max, and those sneakers went like wildfire, and they went from resale to 400 to 600 to 800, and you guessed it. Right now, those sneakers are going for $1,200. So I figured when this sneaker came out and the other 5 came out, everybody didn't know like what sneaker's going to be considered the Sean Weatherspoon. Let me just grab all of them. But this sneaker not bad. So we're going to get into the review with this. But first, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So OnePlus, it ain't coming in your regular Nike box, which is super dope. It has a nice glossy, all black Nike box. And on top of the Nike box, it says On Air. As I told y'all before, that was the name of the competition. Nike Air Max On Air. Size 10.5. That means they belong to me. And it reads Air Max 9808 GS. Vast green, electro green. Suggested retail, $200. Now the lady who designed this shoe is a photographer from Queens, New York. She has a nice story behind her. Great, great woman, just from reading articles.
The sketches that they had on the wall for me was like really inspirational because I like do pencil and paper as well. Being able to actually...
Her name is Gabrielle Serrano. You flip open the lid, and the tissue paper reads London, Paris, New York, Seoul. And now those were the 6 cities where the sneakers were designed from. It comes with a nice postcard. Super dope. There go your postcard On Air. Got your Statue of Liberty, you know, represent New York. Very dope. And on the other side of the postcard, it reads, I hope when you wear these sneakers, it feels like you have a little piece of New York with you. And remember to walk with love and know your heart for all people. That's dope. Signed, Gabrielle Serrano, Queen Leo. Nice touch, man. Nice touch. And here we have it, man. The Gabrielle Serrano Air Max 98s On Air. Now let's get a 360 view. Now the sneaker's not bad, man. And coming from a photographer from New York, man, she has to be like excited. So now you start with the shoestrings. Your shoestrings have the blue, which is considered like the ocean, and then the green is what's considered like land. So it's like a globe type shoestring, which is nice. And then while we talking about those colors, you see the same globe in the swoosh here and the same globe in the swoosh here, which is super dope. That same blue is in the bubbles. So the sneaker definitely has the earth globe turned down pat. And then around here where you see all this gray is, this is supposed to be like the concrete, you know, the cement. New York is known for all the concrete and the cement we have out here. So she definitely kept it all the way New York with this sneaker. All the way around you have that concrete look. Now this design here, which totally doesn't go with the sneaker in my opinion, this was an image that she drew. I mean, this was a photo that she took. And she sketched, so she just put it in there, I guess. I mean, it doesn't go with the sneaker in my opinion, but let me know in that comment section below how y'all feel about that part of the sneaker. And then here has some numbers north and some numbers west, so it's like a compass reading, which is crazy because if you look here on the tongue, that's a compass. And if you come here, that's a reading. I don't know if that's her location or whatever. I will have to look that up, but I get it, man. She really personalized this sneaker. And your bottom is a translucent outsole, blue Nike check. Not too bad. Not too bad, guys. Let's go on the inside of the shoe. No shoe tree, got your regular tissue paper. And like I told you about the shoestring and the swooshes, you have in the inside the globe or the map, whatever you want to call it. So you know the sneaker's very map global, man. You got your map, your shoestring color map, your compass, your longitude, latitude right there. So yeah, that's the left shoe. Let's check out the right shoe, make sure everything's the same. Now here's your right shoe. Your right shoe come dressed in the blue shoestrings with the green tips, which is dope, man. She tried to make it like a wata, you know what I mean? And you also have your white shoestrings. So if you don't want to do the blue with the green, like they come laced, you could just throw in your regular white. Alright, let's really check out this right shoe now, because the shoestrings already threw me off. So boom, okay, has the same compass though, nothing different on the tongue. All the way around, same thing, guys. Nothing different but the shoestrings. Even let's make sure the numbers match on the measurement. Yeah, 40.75, 89, 73.98, 51. Yeah, so the numbers are the same. Only difference is the shoestrings. In the inside, is it on both? Yeah. On the inside of both sneakers, on the tongue, it has that same signature, Queen Leo. Queen Leo. I guess that's her tag, her AKA. It says Queen Leo on the inside of both tongues. And that's pretty much it. Like I told y'all, I'm not a huge fan of this sneaker. I love the translucent on the bottom. I love the translucent in the shoestring holders. But I like the theme behind it. You know, and like I told y'all before, NYC, see if y'all could get that. It says NYC on your left shoe. And on your right shoe, got the classic Air. It's a New York City sneaker, man, and I'm all the way New York. So that's the reason why I went with these sneakers. I am going to keep them. Shout out to you, Miss Gabrielle Serrano. I'm going to keep them just for that New York flavor. In that comment section below, out of the 6, let me know which ones y'all cop. Let me know which ones y'all looking to cop. Let me know how y'all feel about these. I know a lot of people went for the seals or the sole. I never knew how to pronounce that word, but I thought those was dope. I also thought the clouds was super dope. The other ones from Tokyo, the 90 airmax, I think those were dope too. So I think they all came with their own flavor. I just don't think it was what we were looking for. We were looking for that Sean Weatherspoon repeat, and we didn't get it this year. But that don't mean these sneakers should be belittled. So again, in that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about these. Shout out to Nike for even letting people get a chance to chase their dreams and do that. That's first and foremost. And on foot today, I got on the Jordan 1 Royals classic joints. In that comment section below, let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, everybody, get rich.
It's so amazing to see what I drew like in my hand. There's like a little edits that we're making. Just working on like colors,